ay November 25, 18-day campaign to end violence against women, and isa po sa highlight ng ating kick-off ceremony ng 18-day campaign ay 7th State of the Bangsamoro Women Address ng ating chairperson, Ma'am Hadja Bainon Karen.
Po kami ng Bangsamoro Women's Commission para po sa kick-off ceremony ng 18-day campaign to end violence against women. Isang part po sa amin nito is bilang stakeholders po and government agency po, ang Philippine Army po ay sumusuporta po sa bawat endeavor po ng mga ating stakeholders, mga government agency.
We come together because every woman who suffered in silence deserves a voice. Every mother who sheltered her children from harm deserves justice. Every young girl dreaming of a safer tomorrow deserves our protections. And every survivor who found the courage to rise again deserves a community that stands beside her, not just today but every day.
Actually, napaka-importante nito, lalong-lalo na doon sa pag-advocate natin to end vow at syempre doon sa awareness campaign natin. Hindi lang ito basta-basta campaign, kundi isang commitment para po sa lahat ng iba't ibang sektor na wakasan itong violence against women and children.
Today, we reaffirm a commitment not only to protect our women, but to build a future where we can be confident. A future where our daughters walk without fear, where they are valued not for their silence, but for their voices, where they are respected not because they are someone's daughter, wife, or sister, but because they are human beings.
Bilang babae, meron po tayong boses, meron po tayong halaga, at bilang babae, hindi po kami babae lang.
Kakampi po natin ang mga kalalakihan na katulad ko na isa sa mga nakikipaglaban para mahinto po or mabawasan po ang ating violence against women and children. We Men for Women, and ini-encourage ko po ang mga kalalakihan na suportahan natin ang mga kababaihan at proteksyonan po natin sila at huwag po natin alipustahin. Thank you very much.
Bilang babae, kailangan matatag ka, kailangan palaban ka, at kailangan yung takot sa Diyos nandyan para sa'yo. At hindi ka mapag-iwanan.
Maraming types of violence, pero importante na nalalaman ng kababaihan ano mga karapatan niya at saan siya nakatayo at hanggang saan siya pwede. We break the glass ceilings. Pero sa 18-day campaign, it's an 18-day campaign para ma-ensure natin na alam ng babae yung karapatan niya sa loob at sa labas ng bahay.
The Bangsamoro woman is no longer merely a follower. She is now a decision maker, a champion of inclusive change, and a steadfast guardian of peace in family, their community, and her government. kababaihan, mga nanay, mga anak, mga batang nangangarap na mas tahimik at mas ligtas na kinabukasan, ang inyong tiwala ang aming lakas.